Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If it is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William, and on this video I'm going to show you a 1955 Buick Special 2-door hardtop that we are selling. If it is your first time passing by the channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the bell notification. That way you guys get notified every time that I upload a new video. This is a 1955 Buick 2-door hardtop. It's a beautiful car. All of the chrome is in perfect conditions. Paint is an 8 out of 10, considering the years. Recently, I put on a brand new set of 4 white wall tires, and the wall is the widest that you could possibly get in the 215 75/15 size, at 3-inch wide wall. This car is a 2-door hardtop, meaning it has no post. It's a very desirable car by car collectors, enthusiasts. Look at this view. The horses, the chickens. What an amazing view. What a beautiful day to be cruising in a 1955 Buick. The last video that I posted here was a video of the 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxy. It received many views from you guys and very nice comments. You guys like this place. In Miami right now it's like, I don't know, 90-95 degrees. It's very hot. Unlike in many other states up north in the United States, it's been snowing. Temperatures have been dropping quite a lot. Here in Miami, we can enjoy this beautiful weather and drive these cars all year long, regardless if it's cold or hot. This car is powered by its original V8 nailhead, original engine, 12 volts. It's got the original generator. It does not have an alternator. And yes, it works fine. All of the lights turn on, blinkers turn on, stop light turn on, headlights turn on. And the interior is also in very nice shape. Very nice upholstery, very nice carpet, very nice looking dash. Something very unique of this car is that back in 1955, you had the option of ordering the car with a radio or no radio. This one, they decided to order it with no radio, which to me is an advantage that it has no radio. First of all, the radio on these old cars almost never works. And two, I like the fact that it doesn't have a radio because it doesn't have an antenna, and that gives me the possibility of putting a car cover on without having the antenna opening a hole to the car cover. If you guys are interested in purchasing this car, you can give us a call at 305-783-0755. My name is William, and we're asking $26,000. We can also help you with transportation, whether you want to take it enclosed or you want to take it open trailer, anywhere in the United States. You give me a call and I can help you with a shipping cost, and I can also help you find a very reliable transporter. They have insurance, they have many years of experience, so we guarantee you that you're going to get your car in the conditions that you're buying it. We can also help you with finance through a very reliable bank that will help you throughout the process of buying the car at a very low interest rate. And if you live in another state, you can also send us the money through wire transfer, and we will send you the title by mail next day certified. and then we just gotta wait for a transporter to be able to come and pick up the car and deliver it to your door. That simple, guys. Again, you can give us a call at 305-783-0755. My name is William, and we're asking $26,000. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Leave a comment down below. Share my videos. And give it a like. Now let's take the car for a drive so you guys can see how good it drives. And hopefully I can sell it quick. And it ends up at a good house in the hands of someone that's going to continue to take care of it and enjoy it. So like I mentioned, this car is 100% original. You're able to drive it anywhere. The temperature gives you an accurate reading. You also have an accurate reading for gas, amps, oil, and the speedometer works as well. It shows 43,583 miles. Original. This car starts by the gas pedal. All you gotta do is open the ignition switch and press the gas pedal all the way down to the floor, and the car is going to start. This car doesn't overheat. Drives very good. You could drive it at 65, 70 miles an hour on the highway. Suspension is good. Brakes are good. It has power steering. It doesn't have power brakes. It has manual brakes. And it drives like a new car. If you guys are in Miami and you want to come see it, you're more than welcome to call me or send me a text for an appointment. And if you guys live in another state, I can help you with transportation, like I mentioned on the video before. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and buy the car. You can barely hear the engine running while you drive it. Very nice, fun car, reliable. To cruise around with your family, your parents, grandchildren. Very nice car overall. I'm very happy with this car. And I'm sure that if I am happy, you will be happy too if you buy it. Again, give us a call. My name is William, and you can reach me at 305-783-0755. We have been doing YouTube videos for many years. We have been selling cars for many years. We have a really good reputation. And I'm pretty sure that you will not be disappointed. We're asking $26,000 for the car, and it needs a new home. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Generational School. Thank you guys. God bless you all.